Hi, I'm Natalie Slipko, and welcome to the Golden Shoes Tap Tutorials. I absolutely love to tap dance. I've performed in many musicals throughout the U.S. I've taught, I've choreographed, but now I want to give back. I want to teach you how to tap dance. So let's shuffle up to buffalo and have some fun. Today you're going to learn another time step called the Cramp roll time step. And yes, there's a single, there's a double, and there's a triple. So let's get to it. So this is actually would be considered the buck version. There is really no standard that I know of. And as we know, the buck time steps start on the count 8. So we do a stomp on 8, brush hop step for the single, brush hop step. Now you're going to do a full lap with the left, full lap. Now that heel's going to go down first, heel the back foot or the right foot, and then stomp again with the left. That's it. Okay, so the foot that is flapping, that's the heel that goes down first. And when you do that flap after the stomp, brush, hop, step, put that flap foot, in this case the left, slightly in front of the right foot. And that might also help you to remember to put that heel down first. Okay, let's try the left side. So you're going to stomp with the left, stomp, brush, hop, step. Now flap with the right, full lap. What heel's going to go down? Well, the right, left, and then stomp. That's it, okay? So let's do it a little bit more quickly so you can hear what the rhythm of it is, and I will count it out for you. A 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and a 8. Moving on to the double. Very much like other double time steps that you've learned so far, we're starting on the count 8. Starts the same exact way with that stomp. But now you're going to do a brush hop, full lap, full lap. So you stomp, brush hop, full lap, full lap. What heel goes down? Oh, I don't know, maybe the left, because that's the foot that's slightly forward. Left, right, and then stomp again with the left. So you do, if you're doing the right side, you kind of want to keep your weight on that right side so that you can stomp on that left foot, but then pick it up again. If your weight's over on that left side, it's going to be hard to do that. Okay, so now do the left side. Stomp with the left, brush hop, full lap, right heel goes down first, right, left, and then stomp with the right. Let's try it a little bit more quickly. This time I will count it out for you. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and a 8. Now let's try the triple. You're going to start the same exact way with that stomp on 8. Now you're going to do brush hop shuffle step, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. So we stomp, brush hop shuffle step, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. Again on the left, brush hop shuffle step, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. So everything is the same. The only thing that differs is how it starts after that first stomp. Single, you're doing a brush hop step. If you're doing a double, brush hop, full lap. And then if you're doing a triple, brush hop shuffle step, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. Okay? So now, if you're up for the challenge and you feel you got it, which I'm sure you do, let's do 2 singles, 2 doubles, and 2 triples. Here we go. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Brush hop, step, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. Brush hop, step, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. Double. Brush hop, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. Brush hop, full lap, heel, heel. Triple. Brush hop, shuffle, step, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. Brush hop, shuffle, step, full lap, heel, heel, stomp. All right, let's go a little bit faster. 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples, a 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. I will do 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples of the cramp roll time step. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. Triple. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you know when I post the next tutorial.